Videos are a great way to get more information across to your buyers than pictures alone. eBay has added the ability for sellers to include videos on their listings. SixBit has integrated this feature in the form of a Videos tab on the item window. If we open up an item from Sell Items mode, you can see a Videos tab at the top next to the Pictures tab. There are 3 buttons on the Videos tab: Add Video, select a previous video, and remove video. Click the plus sign to open the Add Video window. Use the Select button to choose a video file to upload. eBay requires that the video is in an MP4 format. Once you have selected the video you want to upload, click Open. On the Add Video window, the video path is filled in with the location of the video, and the title is filled in with the name of the file you selected. If you want to change the title of the video or add a description, you must do that now, because once you click Save, you cannot go back and change it. I am going to update the title and add a description. Now I can click Save. You can see a still image from the video displayed in the Videos tab with the message Awaiting Upload in the bottom right corner. If you want to preview the video, you can double-click the still image to open and watch the video. Once you have submitted the listing, the video can take some time to finish uploading. If you reopen the item window, you can see it now shows processing. When the video has finished uploading, you will see that status change to live. You can also choose to use a previous video on an item. Click the gear icon on the Videos tab to open the Manage Videos window. Here you can see the videos that have already been added to items and their status. This is extremely helpful for sellers that want to add the same video to multiple listings, because once a video has been processed and is live, you don't have to wait for it to upload again.